We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
About design of template jig. So here is the component. Jig is basically used to drill the hole in the component. Here we need to drill holes of 5 mm diameter. 4 holes are located like this. So for this type of component we can use template jig. Template jig is basically used where component shape of component is of flange type and there is a throughout hole in component. So assembly of component and jig will be like this. So this is a component and this is a template plate. Here in this template plate centrally boss is inserted in this hole in component. So template jig mainly have 2 component, template plate and boss. Boss will be inserted in throughout hole of the component. Boss is exactly located on the opposite side at which we need to drill the hole. And clamping knob is used to clamp the component with the template jig. So we need to design first jig bush, then template plate and boss. So first we will go for design of jig bush. So design of jig bush have 5 equations. We need to first find inner diameter of bush, outer diameter of bush, head diameter of bush, head thickness and total length of bush. So inner diameter of bush have equation like this, d plus 0.025. So d is diameter of hole we need to drill. So diameter of hole is 5 mm. So inner diameter will be 5.025 mm. Outer diameter equal to 1.5 into d. So 1.5 into 5 equal to 7.5. Head diameter will be 2 into d. So 2 into 5 equal to 10. Head thickness will be 0.625 into d. So 0.625 into 5 equal to 3.125 and length will be 2.5 into d. So 2.5 into 5 equal to 12.5 mm. Material of bush will be tool steel and 4 number of bush will be required in this template jig to drill 4 number of hole. Now we will find the dimension of template plate that is located exactly at the top of this component. So this template plate we need to first find thickness of template plate. So thickness of template plate can be found from the dimension of jig bush. We can clearly see from the figure that we can find the template jig dimension with the help of dimension of jig bush. So first thickness of template plate will be length of bush minus head thickness of bush and plus 2 mm burr clearance. Burr clearance is provided so that hole that is produced in the plate component have some relaxation or gap, so their burr will not be welded on the jig. So thickness of template plate will be length of bush minus thickness of head plus 2 mm bar clearance. So length of bush is 12.5 mm minus head thickness is 3.125 and plus 2 mm bar clearance. So dimension of thickness of plate will be 11.375. Length of template plate equal to length of component plus this head diameter of 2 clamping knob and plus 10 mm clearance on both the side. So 50 mm is the length of component and plus 40 mm clearance is provided to accommodate clamping knob. So dimension of template plate, length of template plate will be 90 mm. Width of template plate will be equal to width of component. So we need not to provide extra dimension on the width side of template plate. So this is the dimension of template plate: thickness, length and width. Diameter of boss that is inserted in the throughout hole in the component. Throughout hole in the component is of 15 mm diameter. So diameter of boss will be exactly equal to 15 mm. Now we need to design the clamping knob that is used to clamp the component with the jig. So diameter of knob will be 18 mm. Length of this knob or height of knob is 10 mm and 24 mm is the length of this clamping knob, because we need to accommodate thickness of template plate plus thickness of workpiece flange. So 11.375 is thickness of template plate and workpiece flange is of 12 mm. So there is a dimension we will gain 23.375. So length will be provided equal to 24 mm. M6 thread will be provided on this L-shaped knob. So 6 mm diameter of this knob and metric thread will be provided. So this is all about the design of template jig. We have designed all the parts: jig bush, template plate and clamping knob. For any query, please comment on the box. Thank you.